Today's article introduces a sample app that combines Mirador and CETEIcean to display TEI/XML content.
Mirador is an iiif image viewer, and CETEIcean is a JavaScript library for rendering TEI/XML in the browser.
The interesting aspect here is that it uses only HTML and plain JavaScript, without a framework like Next.js.
Right. The author mentions having built similar functionality before using Next.js and XSLT, so this is a different approach to the same goal.
The target data is the Kui Genji Monogatari Text DB. There's a live demo available at nakamura196.github.io/CETEIcean-Mirador.
The source code is also published on GitHub at nakamura196/CETEIcean-Mirador.
The first implementation highlight is how PB tags are handled. What does PB mean in TEI?
PB stands for page beginning. It marks where a new page starts in the transcribed text.
CETEIcean's behaviors allow you to define custom rendering logic for specific TEI elements. How is PB handled here?
The behavior creates a TPB element that displays the page number. It reads the corresp attribute to get a zone identifier and attaches a click event listener.
When clicked, it looks up the zone element in the DOM, finds the parent surface, and calls goToPage with the surface's same as attribute.
The same as value is a canvas URI from the iiif manifest. That's what Mirador uses to navigate to the corresponding image page.
So clicking a PB tag in the text moves Mirador to the corresponding image page. How is that navigation triggered?
The goToPage function dispatches a setCanvas action to the Mirador Redux store, passing the window ID and the canvas URI.
The Mirador instance is stored in a variable that's accessible to the click handler?
Yes. The Mirador instance is initialized and stored in a module-level variable. The goToPage function checks that it exists before dispatching.
The window ID window1 is the identifier assigned when the Mirador viewer is initialized.
Right. Mirador supports multiple windows, so the action targets a specific window by ID.
The article also notes that graphic and figure tags are hidden using a fragment behavior to keep the text display clean.
Yes, those elements are suppressed so the rendered text focuses on the transcription rather than the figure references.
CETEIcean CSS from the TEI consortium is linked in for standard text styling.
The whole approach, behaviors for rendering, store dispatch for Mirador navigation, and external CSS, is self-contained in a single HTML file with plain JavaScript.
So it's a lightweight alternative to framework-based implementations for cases where that simplicity is useful.
The demo site and source code let you try it directly. The author notes that Next.js and XSLT approaches remain valid alternatives depending on the requirements.